Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly Member for Cardiff, RCT and the Vale. I'm in Splot today. I'm in Clydesmere Road. This is quite a dangerous stretch of roads. I've witnessed myself cars speeding up and down, racing for that road narrowing there. The sleeping policemen are very, very low and ineffective, and we want action. There have been accidents. I'm here with parents and children, so let's have a little chat to them. So this is Louise. Louise, would you like to say what has happened recently?
Yeah, my daughter got run over on the road, but I don't know, like we want a zebra crossing and some more speed precautions.
So I'm looking at the bumps, they're very low, very ineffective.
Yeah.
Your little girl was injured as well, wasn't she? As we can see.
She got a fracture in her leg, she got a broken wrist, and she had 8 stitches in her head.
Right.
And she was like full of all grazes.
So you've got a very young girl there, has had a lucky escape. The Plaid Cymru councillor, Greta Marshall, has been on and on to the council to do something, and this road is not included in the plans. It's not good enough. There's another resident here. Steve, what do you think of this situation,
well,
Steve?
Basically, there's been 2 accidents now. We don't want third time unlucky. Next time it could be a fatality. So we want something done now. We want a crossing. We want adequate speed bumps. Across the full length of the road, there's absolutely no crossing anywhere, and this is a very long road.
Yeah.
You'll need this crossing is if you go all the way down to the shops across. So there's no way kids can cross getting to and from school or even out playing. And we really need something done.
Right. Okay, so the message for Cardiff Council from the residents of Splot is we want something done in this road. And drivers, okay, we've got a message from the kids as well. What is it, kids? Slow down! Okay, so when you're down Clydesmere Roads and driving around Splot, slow down, okay? Neil McEvoy, diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.